Hey boys, what's going on? I'm just about to go head into the local Can Am dealership. I got a few packages to pick up. And I'm stopping to see my buddy Richard. Oh, they got some Sea-Doos on the showroom. You know, they don't got much left. All right, I just walked inside here. Richard's busy with some customers. I'm just taking a peek here at some of the machines on the showroom floor. Oh, here's a new Outlander over here in the green. Let me tell you, I really like this color. Let's get a close-up of it. You know, I've always really liked the green. My Kodiak was green. But this is a nice painted little metallic color. Man, that looks sharp. I like it. And then over here, we got a big Defender. HD10 XT 3-seater, and it's just one big box on the back. Crazy. That there is a work machine. That's for sure. I could do some stuff with that. Let me tell you. What are you doing? Hey, are you just gonna sit there all day? Oh, you're just gonna sit there. Oh, you want me to rub your belly? Would you would that make you feel better? Rub your belly, rub your belly, rub your belly. More. Oh, rub your belly. Okay, come on. Okay, come on. Get outside. Let's go. It's not that cold out. It's not that cold out. Okay, there you go. I'll be right there. Holy gee, she's cold out there today. Got some stuff. Got her home. Check this out. There. A box of goodies. Let's just have a look-see at a couple little things. Give you a little snapshot of some of the little customization things I want to do to the new ride. Let's have a look inside the box. Okay. Hand guards, wind deflectors. Now, I'm not sure if these are going to work or not. If I really don't like them, then I'm sure I can sell them to somebody. So the stock ones that come on the new XMR, they're all blacked out, which is kind of cool. But I almost wouldn't maybe mind, if this is too much red, I might take the black one and then maybe just do the red lettering. So let's look. So this is what I'm doing here. Okay, hold the phone. There's a problem. There's a problem. Hold the phone. So, okay, before I explain what I'm doing, let me just have a look. See here. Oh yeah, frig. It's supposed to be two of those. Oh, Richard. I had to send him a text message. But guess what? he just sent me a message back. I said, hey, great to chat today, but guess what? You're going back to Polaris? Oh, no. I need 2 more decals ordered, buds. A Renegade and a Can Am. Let's have a look at what I'm talking about here. So on the snorkel horn, it's got the MR is in yellow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch it to the gray. I just want to take some of the yellow away and a little bit of red accents. I'm not exactly sure how all I want to customize it. I've got lots of ideas and I just can't quite narrow it down. And some of it I'm really going to have to wait and see till I actually get the machine and really get my eyes on it and see what I want to change. Actually seeing the color in person, I've seen it on an Outlander and it's really sharp. I just don't want that much yellow. What I'll do is I'll take the black Can Am sticker off, put the red with the black behind it, and then down lower on the lower panel you got the Renegade ones. The bumpers I want to go to like a gray color, kind of like the gray I have on my shirts that I have, my Adventures This Way shirts. I got 2. They are one of a kinds right now, unless someone actually wanted one. Oh, there he is. What does he say? Ha ha. Okay, give me the numbers and all. Okay, yeah, all right, I'll send you the numbers there, buds. I almost forgot to tell you guys. Once Richard was done with some of his customers there and he actually had a minute to speak to me, he showed me on the computer there that my machine could be coming in maybe about 2 weeks. So you know what? I'm starting to actually get a little bit excited about it. I really wasn't worried about it too much because it's down the road, down the road, down the road. It was scheduled to be delivered the week of March 8th, which is next week. But it's actually now been moved up to delivering the week of March 1st. So it could be leaving the factory anytime this week. So maybe by the end of the week, and then 10 days for it to get delivered up to the dealership. And you know, however long it takes them to get a PDI and all that stuff and built, and we can go see it and pick it up. So we're definitely going to do a video about that. Definitely. Check it out, eh? Layaway. There's no way I wrote that because my handwriting does not look anything like that. So I got the, this here's the rear skid plate. And you know what? It really makes no sense that it doesn't come with a rear skid plate. So this here is the radiator protector cover. Because the Renegade is so short, the body's so short on it, the radiator is really not that far from the front. So one, you could get something poked up in there, and two, this thing will actually help keep some of the gook off of it. So it's not much, but it's actually not really that expensive. Well, nothing's really cheap when you order it from the OEM, but really it's not bad. I think this is like 70 bucks or something, I don't know. Where I'm at now is I don't really want to mess around with stuff. I want stuff that goes in, fits, it's made for it, and away you go. That's where I'm at. So, I mean, this is bent just to fit just nice. I don't know if it goes, probably goes like that, or something like that. I don't know. You know what, let's have a look at the skid plate too. Like, why not? Heavy duty. Oh jeez, there's a box inside a box. Check it out though, like this is frickin', that's frickin' thick aluminum, man. Like that's at 1/4 inch. I don't know. That's pretty sweet. Pretty sexy for a skid plate, eh? Shiny. Shiny. Anybody looking for a Polaris transmission? This is a good one right here. I gotta take this inner cover off. It's sealed nicely, but the cover itself is it's screwed. I still have some good high demand parts left, but people don't want to pay for them. People want something for nothing. And I'm not even trying to charge that much for my parts. I'm being very reasonable in what the market prices are, because, you know, and when it comes to shipping stuff, I'll try to do my best to keep the price down. But some stuff costs $50, $60, $70 to ship, and somebody wants it halfway across the country, or, you know, way down in the States. Like, it costs more. Like, I can't help it. But it gets exhausting dealing with people sometimes. And they send you messages. Do you have this available? Yep. Okay, I'm interested. And then, yeah, you don't hear from them again. Keep on coming back. There's all kinds of footage to see. Hopefully soon, it'll be the new machine.